In the aftermath of a fire, it's easy to feel lost, unsure where to even begin. But support is closer than you think. You don't have to rebuild alone. At ALiGCUS Construction, we guide families through recovery, starting with a simple consultation. Our architects help you understand your options, whether to rebuild what was, or design something new. Then, we help you visit your local one-stop permit center, where all departments work together to approve your plan. Your plans are reviewed by building, fire, and environmental teams, in one place. If you're rebuilding to match what was lost, permits may be faster. Custom plans may take longer, but the journey remains yours. Once approved, construction can begin. Together, we turn your vision into reality, step by step. Visit recovery.lacounty.gov, or your local one-stop permit center. Or speak with ALiGCUS Construction, because rebuilding doesn't start with walls, it starts with trust.